This will be a video on a 2010 Peterbilt 389. It's gonna have a Cummins 485, a 10-speed transmission, air ride suspension, sliding fifth wheel. I have a dual line wet kit, as you can see up here with the tank. Yes, you can run hydraulic trailers. A little casualty of war right here. We'll step out it on there. But paint looks pretty good. Tires look good. Not too bad. Shine. Maybe a little polish on the aluminum, but other than that, inside, fire up. It's got 845 on it. For some reason, it's doing like an intermittent deal with it. For some reason, I don't know. I'll look into that. But I got pictures earlier, and then now, of course, it doesn't want to do that. I don't know if it's. These are all lighting up. Anyways, we'll check into that. But be aware it's intermittent on the speedometer for some reason. We'll check that out. Yeah, let's go forward and backwards and all that good stuff. Shift's okay. Go reverse. We'll jump out. Video of it outside. I'll bump up the idle on. Got cruise control so you can hear it. There she is. 2010, non-compliant in California. So take her out and run her for a long time. Alright, that's her. Come check her out. Preview day, June 2nd, 9 to 4. Auction will be June 3rd, 7 p.m. Live, online. Come check it out. See you.